Make a great choice today with the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, steering wheel controls, cruise control, cup holders, console, floor mats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.